Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the green color of Chinese painting. Let's get started. I've bought this green color called the first green, which is a type of traditional Chinese pigment made of a type of mineral called malachite. Malachite is a copper carbonate hydroxide mineral. When it is crystallized to a nice form, malachite is one of the semi-precious stones used to make jewelries. And this powder is obviously, it's a ground version of the malachite stone. And this is the only one that I can buy as an individual packet. So we need some glue to mix the mineral. And I'm gonna use a little device because I only need a few drops for this amount of powder. And I'm going to just use my finger to mix it. So just rub it to make sure that the powder is dissolved and blend with the glue. This brand actually has another form of pigment. One of them is the chip form that I always use, but they only sell it in a set of 12 or 24 color. So I don't bother because I only use very few prime colors. And then there is another form that is actually in a small cup that is also ready to use. But I couldn't buy it as an individual packet here. So I just bought this one and then mix it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. You're supposed to add some water after you added some glue, but then because my brush has water in it, so I just want to show you what it looks like. Today I'm going to paint some European bee eaters. It's a colorful bird with long-billed insect eaters with a bright yellow throat, gemstone blue belly, which is the malachite color that we're going to use, and then the back is in flame color. So I'm using yellow, orange, and just a little bit of ink to paint the back and the head. And then the beak is in black color and the yellow throat. And now I use the malachite to paint the chest. And the tip of the wings and the tails are in blue color. I think this bird is a bit too colorful for traditional Chinese painting. So I'm going to use just ink to paint a tree or like the tree branches for it to perch on. Going back to this malachite color, malachite is the traditional Chinese color that is often used for landscape painting. For example, painting rocks or trees or dotted moss. And it also appeared on the Buddhist wall paintings in the caves on the ancient Silk Road in China. But it's actually rarely used for birds and flower painting because it is more a copper color than the green plant color that we need for painting leaves and flowers. And that's why I said before that there is no green in traditional Chinese painting, because I don't consider malachite as exactly the green that I need. Now I'm painting another one. I'm painting the chest first, so I'll use more malachite. I found that I probably didn't mix the mineral powder well because I could see the powder after the painting is dried. So I will give it a try a little later. Well, this is just a demonstration that I wanted to share with you the use of malachite pigment on Chinese painting. Now I'm adding just a tiny bit of ink on the throat between the two colors of the birds. Now I'm using ink to paint some leaves. Now I'm using some malachite again. I'm not painting any particular type of plants because there are a lot of wild plants that I don't really know what they are, and they're just out in the wild. So it really doesn't matter. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I will see you next time.